I'm Darren Hager. I am Chief Everything Officer, founder and designer at Heyday Footwear, and today we're going to take a quick look at the new Navy and Infrared Mission Trainer. This Mission Trainer sits atop our nearly flat but cushioned cardio sole. It makes full ground contact along the sole. On the inside, there's about a 4mm heel drop, and there's a rubber heel pad for traction, very useful if you are trying to gain traction while you're benching. The upper is a mix of navy ballistic mesh, a navy and silver ripstop air mesh on the side panel, and very shiny chrome navy patent leather on the heel, which gives you some added stability in the heel. You also have infrared laces, upper webbing loops, and the heel loop on the back. Really nice pop. You also get a navy removable Velcro super strap. You can wear it with or without the strap, and you can even use the strap as an occlusion band when you're doing buys or maybe calves. There's another look at it. The tongue has our new two-color molded rubber logo, which is also on the strap. It's got a memory foam footbed, terry cloth lining, ultra comfortable, ultra light, ultra amazing. It's not hype, it's Heyday.